Hi-ho, hi-ho, it's off to a go-ho we go. Woohoo! Hello everybody! Today we're going to be talking about decisions and how to make better, faster and quicker decisions for you. We're off to a little place called a go-ho today, so stay tuned. If this is the first time to our channel here, what this channel is about is helping you go further and faster in business and in life. And if you're wondering what this wonderful little thing is all about, you're just going to have to stick around and watch. Yoo-hoo! Okay, let's get prepared. Right. Magic wand. Just in case we get any overzealous policemen on the way today, we've got a magic wand. We can turn them into frogs. Next most important thing, face covering. Oops, I better take that off so I can breathe. Yay! I need the security team as well. Yep. And the final thing, the face mask. Yahoo! I think I'm ready. Okay, don't think we need the security team, could be a bit too much. Okay, I think maybe a little bit intimidating. Let's get rid of that one, no good. Okay, we'll use the lightweight version. Okay, magic wand, yes. Lightweight version, That better, less intimidation. Last final thing, disinfect the face mask. Yep, oop, yep. That should do. That's done it. Good to go. Alright, got the face mask, got the magic wand, and got the face covering. All ready to go. Yeah, very disinfected. Whoa! Today we're going to have a little adventure. We're off to a little town called Agoho to get a piece of paper. So it's called an NBI clearance. It's for my residency permit. It's a simple document, but it takes a lot of energy to get it, especially now with coronavirus. We've actually got like a major expedition to go just down the road. The hardest part right now is finding transport. Normally you just jump in a vehicle and off you go, but now you need paper and clearances, and you got to go through checkpoints and all sorts of things. So today we've had to sort of be imaginative on the transport options. Decisions are very interesting things. Why did I choose to go today? I could have gone in a couple of days' time. Why did I choose to go early this morning? It's a Monday morning, but you know, like, okay, it's just a Monday morning, so yeah, get it done, it's business. But the timing of decisions and how you make decisions is critical. Can you imagine today, just from the point here to where I go in and go and come back, how many millions and millions and millions of interactions that could actually happen? And the exact timing of when I leave the gate here changes all of that. Everything changes, and that's the incredible thing. Now, most people use this to make a decision. And you know what? We have a massive supercomputer inside of us, and it's not our brain. It's our feelings. It's our intuition. Those things are an extra layer that when you master them and you really understand how to use them, you have an incredibly powerful tool that allows you literally to create magic at times. I'm not joking. So today, let's have some fun. We're going to go off to Agoho and like, yahoo, let's see what happens. Whoa, waiting for my trusty steed. It's around here somewhere. Can you hear it? Can you hear it? It must be coming soon. Where's my trusty steed? There's my trusty steed. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, don't go too far, trusty steed. Wait for me. Okay, now to ride my trusty steed. Yay! Here we go. No, wait on the right. I'm going to ride this beast. Yahoo! Here we go. Yee-hoo! Ride 'em, boy! Yee-hoo! Go! Go, Loretto, let's go! Yes, go! Go, trusty steed! Yay! Right. Oh, better put this on first. Whoa, good luck. Up, up, okay. bumpy ride here. It's like interesting, very different. Will I survive? Hope so, hope so. We've just gone 1 kilometer. Oh my goodness, only 1 kilometer, about 20 to go. Oh my goodness, we will persevere. To watch the movie about perseverance, by the way. Success! We've got the paper. Well, we've applied for the paper, the MBI clearance, because Manila's closed down. It will take 20 days to 25 days to process it. Wow! Yay! Only nearly a month. So there we go. I might get my next piece of paper in another month. Yay! It's just like paper parade. Yay! But we're on our way home now. Gonna stop at Demortis to get some chocolate and wine. Celebration for jolly. Yee-hoo! Okay, we're coming into Demortis now, so I should put my little face covering on. I don't want to use my magic wand with the police. So here we go. Gotta get my face covering. Got a great idea. Let's go left. But I want to go right. Come on, let's go left. Left is great. But I want to go right. Why can't we go right? Right's great too. Left is brilliant. Left is so good. It's so exciting. Left is like the new way. It's the new normal. It's the thing. The left is it. But I want to go right. What's wrong with the right? The right's really good too. Why can't we go to the right? You always choose. Let me choose. I want to go right. Let's go left. Left, left, left. Don't be such a silly cat. Right, I want to go right. Please, let's go right. Oh, bumbles. Like, what are we supposed to do? Oh, I really want to go right. Okay, I've got it. I go left, you go right. Okay.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. Ever since you came around, I've never been
Whoa!
sober.
Do you know that on an average day, an average business person would have to make 5 major decisions that could impact their whole business and actually change the direction of what's going on? Isn't that amazing? 5. On a very busy day, they might have to make 10 or 20 or 30 important decisions. How can somebody make decisions fast like that? How do you do that? How can you make a decision just like that? Exceptional business people do not use this to make decisions, and they make decisions fast. That is a sign of a very successful business person. They don't take days and days and days and days and days to make a simple decision. They make it happen. And how do they do that? Well, experience is one thing. They've got a past experience, but also you'll find that they use something that everybody talks about, which is the gut. Now, I think that's a really silly word to say. I use my gut feelings, because to me, it actually is a system. It is something that's an incredible part of us. I actually call it an intuitive system, so that it's actually a whole system, and we can utilize that system to make better decisions quicker and faster. Now today, I'm not going to talk about our intuitive system or anything like that and how you can activate that, because you know what? You already know how to do it. Just like you saw me step out from this tree here. If you're not a video editor, you don't know how easy it is to do that. Now, if somebody told you, oh, you just do blah, 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 you go, oh yeah. It's the same with making business decisions and any decision in your life based on your intuition and your feeling system. When you're using those different tools, you have abilities to do things in a completely different way. And your decision quality increases exponentially as you learn how to use that tool. So today it's not about learning how to use that tool. It's just really telling you it's it's rock solid, it's part of who you are. You were born with it. It's just that nobody's told you that you have it, and nobody's told you to trust it and to use it and to work with it and play with it. That's the start. So if you've not used your intuition before, if you've not used your feeling systems before, then that's the starting point. Just know that you have it and you can use it, and then ask yourself better questions. Go watch the better question video of how you can use it better. Here's an example. You see this here, pieces of paper here. This is my little trip to a go hole. Yeah, this is the second part of the trip to a go hole, where I want to get my residency permit. And these are the pieces of paper that I had to get yesterday so that I could go to Baguio City to renew my residency permit. Now, that's for 2 people. Now, that's not the end of the paper. That I have to take to the police station and to the health center. And then I found out yesterday I have to go to a website and register online at Baguio. Then I went onto the website and went on, and it wouldn't even accept my birth date because it wouldn't let me to type it in. So I had to scroll back to 1965 from 2020, like, to try and find me. And at that point, I gave up. Now, that's the interesting thing. I noticed things were getting hard work and a struggle. So I tossed that away and I asked myself a better question. How can I do this simpler, easier, and faster? And I used my instincts and my intuition to get an answer, and instantly got an answer. And do you know what? The answer is so simple. But in this day and age, in the Philippines, things are not that simple. The answer was courier the documents to them. Now, if you're in other parts of the world, you might think that's just like, yeah, that's like, why don't you just do that? Well, to start off, the application has to be made in person. I have to send cash. I have to send my passport. So I might not have my passport back for 2 months. So I'm without my passport. So there's things like that that make the decision a little bit more interesting. But I couldn't get to Baguio, so boom. What else could I do? So I had to make an instant decision, and I got the answer. And I checked in with that answer, and this is a big tip. I checked in with the answer from my mind. How did it feel? It felt really good. Instantly, it felt good. Because I thought, oh, I go to San Fernando. I can't do that because they're locked down. Go to Baguio, they can't do that, locked down. Oh, they're both bad. Okay, but I have to renew my visa because I'm going to be illegal in the country. My residency permit will be gone. And I lose everything that I worked for. It took me 1 year to get my last permit. So I'm not going to do that. So basically, I listened to my feelings and it said yes, yay. So I rang them up in Baguio and said, hey, can I do this? Yeah, you can do that. That's possible. Blah, blah, but you have to send blah, 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 blah. So, good. So I went and got all the papers in Rosario yesterday. More papers. I didn't need those papers, that's why I throw those away. Got more papers, and now, tomorrow, I can put my residency permit in the carrier, and off it will go. And maybe 1 month, maybe 2 months, I'll get it back. But it's easy and fast and simple, and it feels good. So remember, start using your feelings. Start connecting with those. That's your first step. Keep on going. And if you're feeling good, by the way, about our videos, subscribe. We'd love you to subscribe to get the latest updates, and hit the like button and put your comments below about other things that you want us to talk about. As you can see, we've got brand new formats every time. We're experimenting and playing around, but we're listening to what you're saying as well. So please tell us what you want. Tell us more. Give us some comments. Ask us questions in the comments below, and we'll answer them. So my name is David Anttony. I'm the Creative and Visionary Director for UBLA, and I'm going to catch you again, and thank you very much.